When disasters strike, every second counts, and the right gear can mean the difference between survival and tragedy. Whether you're clearing ice from your vehicle at dawn, braving the cold with heated protection, or shielding yourself from freezing winds with emergency warmth, these essentials are your lifeline. Each item is built to act fast, protect, and prepare. Don't miss this video. It could save your life or someone you love. Without further ado, let's dive in. Number 12. Portable Buddy Radiant Propane Heater. When the cold bites harder than your layers can handle, this heater becomes your fire in the storm. Compact yet powerful, it delivers safe, radiant heat that turns freezing shelters into warm havens. With easy ignition, adjustable settings, and rugged portability, it's trusted by campers, hunters, and preppers alike. Whether you're trapped in a blackout or braving the wild, this isn't just a heater. It's your lifeline when the frost bites hardest. Number 11. GENMAX Generator Portable Power Solution. When blackouts strike or camping takes you far from the grid, reliable power becomes more than convenience. It's survival. You need it to keep phones charged, lights on, and essential devices running when silence and darkness surround you. The GENMAX generator is ultra-lightweight for easy transport, EPA compliant for clean performance, and equipped with Eco Mode for fuel efficiency. Compact, quiet, and rugged. It delivers stable energy exactly when it's needed most. Number 10. GUBARUN Boys Snow Boots. When winter storms hit and icy sidewalks threaten every step, reliable boots become essential for safety and warmth. Kids need footwear that keeps them dry, steady, and comfortable whether they're trudging through snow, heading to school, or playing outside in freezing conditions. These GUBARUN Boys Snow Boots are waterproof, slip-resistant, and built to handle cold weather with durable insulation. Lightweight yet rugged, they protect little feet from moisture and frost while offering secure traction, making them the perfect choice for toddlers, little kids, and big kids in harsh winter environments. Number 9. Alvada Warm Thermal Wool Socks. Imagine stepping into the freezing cold and feeling warmth wrap around your feet like armor. Winter demands more than ordinary socks. You need insulation that keeps you dry, comfortable, and protected through snow, work, or long treks. Number 8. Lepro Headlamp. When darkness falls and your hands need to stay free, a reliable headlamp becomes essential. You need it for cycling at night, running safely, camping in the wild, or navigating blackouts at home. Number 7. ZOLEO Satellite Communicator. When you're beyond cell coverage and emergencies strike, staying connected isn't optional. It's survival. You need a device that bridges the gap, sending two-way global SMS and email when networks fail. The ZOLEO Satellite Communicator delivers exactly that, with emergency S.O.S. alerting, check-in capability, and GPS location sharing to keep you visible and safe anywhere on Earth. Number 6. 42-inch ice scraper and extendable snow brush. Imagine waking up to find your car buried under layers of snow and ice, every surface frozen solid. In that moment, speed and reach matter. You need a tool that clears heavy buildup without wasting time or energy. This 42-inch ice scraper, with an extendable snow brush, is built for emergencies, featuring a 180-degree pivoting head for easy angles, a foam grip for comfort, and rugged durability to handle the toughest winter conditions. Compact yet powerful. Number 5. Emergency Mylar thermal blankets. Imagine being caught in freezing rain, stranded on a hike, or facing shock in an emergency. Warmth becomes the difference between safety and danger. That's when these Mylar thermal blankets step in, reflecting up to 90% of body heat to keep you warm and protected. Lightweight and compact, they fit easily into bug-out bags, first aid kits, or marathon packs, ready for any crisis. Number 4. 4 Patriots Emergency Food Bars. When disaster strikes, the grid fails, or you're stranded outdoors, food security becomes survival. You need reliable rations that last, fuel your body, and fit easily into any emergency kit. These bars are designed to stay fresh for up to 5 years, offering 9 servings of non-perishable energy in a compact pack. Durable, calorie-dense, and ready when needed. Number 3. Heated gloves. When freezing winds cut through ordinary layers and numb fingers threaten your grip, heated gloves become essential. You need them for outdoor work, winter sports, or emergencies where warmth and dexterity matter most. Number 2. Emergency weather radio. Imagine the storm cuts power, the grid goes silent, and you're left in the dark with no updates. In that moment, information and light aren't luxuries, they're survival. This 4,000 milliamp NOAA Weather Alert radio keeps you connected with AM/FM broadcasts and instant weather alerts. Powered by solar charging, hand crank, or USB, it ensures you never run out of energy. Built with an LED flashlight, reading lamp, S.O.S alarm, and headphone jack. It's a compact lifeline for both outdoor adventures and indoor emergencies, ready whenever disaster strikes. Number 1. Kidde Carbon Monoxide Detector. Imagine the silent danger of carbon monoxide, filling a room, odorless, invisible, and deadly. In that moment, awareness is everything. This Kidde CO alarm is battery-powered for portability, equipped with bright LEDs to signal status, and a test reset button for instant checks. The low battery indicator ensures you're never caught off guard, while its compact design makes it easy to place anywhere in your home, office, or travel kit. Reliable and simple, it's your early warning system against a threat you can't see or smell.